Good morning, children. This is our problem. Example 6.44. Find the vector parametric, vector non-parametric, and Cartesian form of the equation of the plane passing through the points, 2 points, and parallel to the straight line. Parallel to the straight line. In this straight line equation, the denominator value represented by vector, parallel vector. So first I write the given points and straight line equation. But in straight line equation, general form is x minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 divided by b2, z minus z1 divided by b3. This is the general form. That is, there is no coefficients of x, y and z. But in second value, 2y plus 1. This is a wrong general form, isn't it, children? So we have to change the general form. So that is the y coefficient is 2. So I divided by 2 numerator and denominator. So 2y plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 divided by 2 equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1. So x minus 1 divided by 1 equal to this divided by 2 is common 2y plus 1. So the denominator, listen carefully children, 2y divided by 2. So 2 to cancel, y plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by 1 equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1. So this is in the form of y minus y1 divided by b2. Okay children, this is our general form. Then only you take the values. So here this value is a vector, this value is b vector, the denominator value is parallel vector, so you take c vector. So a vector equal to minus I vector plus 2j vector plus 0k vector. B vector equal to 2i vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. And C vector equal to I vector plus j vector minus k vector. All the values. So next I write parametric vector equation. Parametric vector equation. This is one of the 5-mark question. It takes some more time, but very easy. Formula r vector equal to 1 minus s into a vector plus sb vector tc vector. Just you substitute a vector, b vector and c vector. Minus I vector plus 2j vector plus s into b vector 2i vector plus 2j vector minus k vector plus t into I vector plus j vector minus k vector. That's all. This is parametric vector equation. Non-parametric vector equation. First I write the formula. Non-parametric vector equation. R vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector cross c vector equal to 0. Can you understand children? R vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector cross c vector equal to 0. First you calculate b vector minus a vector. Just write directly. Subtract b vector minus a vector. So you change the sign, isn't it children? 2i plus I. So totally 3i vector. 2j plus 2j minus 2j, so cancel, so 0. This is minus k vector. So this is b vector minus a vector. Next you calculate b vector minus a vector cross c vector. Determinant I, j, k. B vector minus a vector 3, 0, minus 1. And c vector value is 1, 1, minus 1. 1, 1, minus 1. Can you understand, children? So just you expand I vector into 0 plus 1 minus j vector into minus 3 plus 1 plus k vector into 3 minus 0. So totally I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. So this is our formula. In bracket value we calculated. So just you substitute here. Therefore r vector minus a vector. A vector value is minus I vector plus 2j vector plus 0k vector dot this value I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector equal to 0. Next step, this dot value is multiplied both the values. So r vector dot I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector minus I vector plus 2j vector dot I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector equal to 0. So we multiplied I vector to I vector. So minus 1 plus 4. Here k vector is 0. So 0 into 3, 0. So totally value 0 equal to 0. So r vector dot I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. This total value is minus 3 equal to 0. This is non-parametric form. Next, Cartesian equation. So in Cartesian form, we easily find out, let r vector equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Because we calculate non-parametric form of vector equation. From this equation, we calculate Cartesian form. Just you substitute r vector value. Listen carefully, children. So xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector dot I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. The constant value is minus 3. So minus 3 equal to 0. Just to multiply x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 equal to 0. This is Cartesian form. That's all, children. Okay, children. Next, I sent you one homework. Find the parametric form of vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the points 2, 2, 1, 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to the plane. So parallel to the vector, perpendicular to the plane, both are same meaning. So you take this value is vector, c vector, 2i vector plus 6j vector plus 6k vector. This is a value, a vector value, b vector value, 2 points, 1 vector. But in this problem, we calculate two values alone. Parametric form, Cartesian equation. No need to calculate non-parametric form. If we calculate non-parametric form, we easily find out the Cartesian form. So r vector value, we usually take xi vector, yj vector plus zk vector. But in this problem, you use the third formula, Cartesian form, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus. This formula you use, so that problem is very easy. Okay, children? Thank you.